In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align table text in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to position text inside your table cells so everything looks clean, consistent, and easy to read. Start by opening your Canva design and clicking on the table you want to edit. Then click the specific cell that contains the text you want to adjust. Selecting the right cell tells Canva exactly where to apply your changes and prevents accidental edits elsewhere. To control horizontal alignment, highlight the text inside that cell. Head up to the top toolbar and find the alignment icon. It typically looks like stacked horizontal lines. Click it and choose left, center, or right. The moment you choose, you'll see the text snap into place inside the cell. Left alignment is great for labels and longer paragraphs, center alignment works well for headers or short bits of information, and right alignment can help numbers line up neatly in columns. Now, let's adjust vertical alignment. Click the table cell again so it's selected, then open the Format options. In that panel, choose Top, Middle, or Bottom to control the text's vertical position within the cell. This is especially helpful if your rows are taller than your text. Top keeps the text anchored near the cell's upper edge, middle centers it perfectly between the top and bottom tucks it down at the base. Use this to create balanced layouts when you have mixed content or varying row heights. If you want to align multiple cells at once, drag your cursor across the cells you want to update to highlight them together. With those cells selected, click the same alignment buttons and apply left, center, or right. All of the selected cells will update at the same time, which is a huge time saver when formatting entire rows or columns. This keeps your table consistent without repeating the same action cell by cell. A quick workflow tip. For horizontal alignment, make sure you highlight the text inside the cell. For vertical alignment, selecting the cell itself is enough. If an option appears grayed out, double-check that you've selected either the text or the cell as needed. That's it. Open your design, select the table and the right cell, set horizontal alignment with the toolbar, fine-tune vertical alignment in the Format options, and then apply those choices to multiple cells by dragging to select them. With these simple steps, your Canva tables will look polished, professional, and perfectly aligned.